I have been trying to figure out where to take my YouTube channel. I've been thinking about it. I've been also wanting to vlog a ton. And you guys know I'm anti-niche, so I'm not about trying to just fit in one niche. So I was like, you know what? Let's vlog my life and take you guys on the journey. You guys are gonna grow with me. You guys are gonna experience the things that I'm doing. And we're just gonna have fun. And we're gonna do it in a very cinematic way. If you're new here, I'm Andy Dooley. My pillars are faith, family, fitness, fun, and fandom, and I don't fit into a box. Neither should you. This channel, it's not a niche, it's a life. Welcome to my vlog, Unboxed with Andy Dooley. But first, we have a side quest. You know what some of you guys may or may not know, but PlayStation is raising their prices again. And if you were one of the earlier adopters who bought a PS5 like me on day one, it's been 6 years. And the PlayStation Pro, I kind of just left it alone, but they are raising those prices. And so I went back and forth. Should I not get one? And obviously, I went ahead and got one because it made sense for me to go ahead and just sell my PS5, sell a couple other things on OfferUp, and recoup my money back. So when the new games come out, I can experience PSSR, higher quality. I have a 4K TV. That's where it really shines. So yeah, I did it. Here's the power of YouTube, guys. I'm over here filming, and a guy stops me and he's like, "Are you a YouTuber?" Sorry, that's all on my grill, but this is just real life. He asked me if I was a YouTuber, and I'm like, yeah, I'm actually rebranding right now my YouTube channel. And immediately he asked me what my YouTube was and gave your boy a sub. I mean, that's dope. He does music, and there he is right there. Pretty dope. It's pretty cool. And just meeting people like that. The power of just being yourself and creating content and what it could do and how it can inspire and motivate people. What a cool opportunity we have as creators if we are consistent with what we do. And what a crazy cool moment that is connected with this dude. So, hey, if you're watching this video, bro, I think you said your name was Joseph. Much love. I appreciate you. Good luck on your music, bro. Appreciate the sub. So I'm on my way home. I'm gonna go set up my PlayStation 5 Pro, break down my PS5, and then head out to GameStop and sell my PlayStation. Sometimes it's not your life that's broken, it's just the system you're running. Most people think they need a reset, start over, become someone else. But what if you don't need a reset? What if you just need to retool? Oh, we got it, guys. We got the PlayStation Pro. It was held for your boy. I don't know why this was so annoyingly hard to get out the box. Maybe it's because I didn't want to drop it and damage it. But look at this. Goodness, that was ridiculous. Yeah, this is significantly smaller. Not crazy smaller, but noticeably smaller. Oh yeah. While I set this up, I do have a deeper reason for this vlog. This isn't just about a console. It's about stepping into a new season for me. And I think there's other people out there that are looking or feeling a new change or a switch or a new season, new clarity, a new focus, a new intention. So I've made it to GameStop, as you can see. Let's see if it can zoom in right there. I'm gonna take my PlayStation 5 in. I'm gonna sell this bad boy. I'll let you guys know what I get out of it. How you doing? I got here and I was hopeful. I brought my PS5, I boxed it up. I had everything, all the original things that came with my PlayStation 5. And it took longer than I thought it would, because for some reason, this nice gentleman, this man here, was having an issue with the trade-in machine, but it worked out. Guys, trying to sell my trying to sell my PlayStation 5 at GameStop was an ordeal. I was told prior to make sure I reset it to factory settings, but for them to check it, I had to sign in. It was a whole ordeal. Make sure you sign up for the Pro account in store. Don't do it online. All right, we out of here. Oh, I was gonna go home. I was gonna leave, but I think Crumble's calling my name. Let's go. I mean, I can't get this without calling the wife and seeing if she wants home. Secure the bag. For the most part, we are well-intentioned human beings. However, we do get distracted, or sometimes we get caught up in all the things we need to do in life, and it creates this paralysis, and then you're stuck and you can't move forward while everything else around you is swirling and moving forward at a fast pace, and you're just sitting there wondering, why can I not accomplish my dreams? Well, maybe you need to retool. Here, I'm not resetting my life. I'm installing a new operating system, and I'm bringing you with me here on my YouTube channel. Welcome to Unboxed.